What is up, guys? Welcome back in, and today I'm working on the 2012 Nissan Sentra, and today what we're going to be doing is replacing the rear wheel hub on these vehicles. So if you need to do this on your vehicle, stay tuned. Here we are. For starters, let me show you how it sounds. This is the side that sounds okay. There's nothing wrong with it. Let's see if you guys can capture the sound. I don't know if you guys can see it, but you can't hear anything. Now this is the side that we're going to replace. Let's see if you can hear it. So that humming sound, if you guys can hear it, and I imagine that sound going at 60 miles per hour, it's a lot louder. The faster you go, the louder it's going to get. So we have a bad hub bearing, so we're going to go ahead and replace it. Alright, for starters, we need to take off the wheel. It's a 21mm inch socket. If somebody ever replace those wheel nuts, sometimes they'll give you different size as far as on the outside. So first off, we got to make sure that we take off the wheel. Of course, the car's already up. It's on the lift. You guys are going to do this on the floor. It's fine. Just make sure that you guys use jack stands under it so we can make sure that we are safe and we can go home at the end of the day. Wheels off, so now we're going to take off this hub here. I can just wiggle it out and pull it out. Sometimes it's kind of like stuck in there, so you got to hit it with a hammer like in the 4 different spots in the 4 different corners to loosen it up and take it out. But I replaced this hub maybe like a year ago, maybe a little bit under a year ago, so that's why it's not so tight. It's not so stuck in there. But there it is. So here it is. This is the hub that we're going to replace. You guys can hear it, and it's pretty simple. There's really nothing holding it over on this side. All we have is 4 bolts back here, and that's it. This is the ABS sensor, so it's a 10mm bolt. We're going to take that off and pull it out. Take those 4 bolts off, and then this whole hub assembly is going to come out. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to start off with the ABS sensor, which, like I said, should be a 10mm. They usually are. There it is, sensor off. We're going to hold our bolt there. Looks like those 4 bolts holding the hub is going to be an 18. There we go. All 4 bolts are completely loose. The 2 on this side, it's a little bit harder to get loose because the spring's on the way, so I don't think I can grab the impact and use it on those. But the 2 on this side is definitely a lot easier. The 4 bolts that hold the hub here basically holds everything together with the hub into the bracket. So when I take this off, everything kind of wants to move away. So I'm going to grab my hub and go ahead and get ready to just swap them out real quick. Hub that I'm using is right here. It's a Master Pro, part number 512384, and that's for this particular Nissan Sentra with an ABS sensor. Now you might have a different one. Make sure you guys check with your local parts store, but this one's gonna go right in there right after I take that one off. So here it is. I'm gonna have it right here ready. Here it is. It's off, and you guys see this, it wants to move. Once I took that off, everything wants to fall off. So you guys need to be aware of that and be careful with that. That way we can get the next one on there. One bolt in. Bolt number 2 is on. And now on to 3 and 4. That one's on. Alright, they're all pretty much in there, so now we just gotta tighten everything up. Anytime you're doing anything with any car, replacing any part, what you wanna do is when you're first gonna put in that bolt, you wanna first get it in there with your hand. Get the first couple of threads in there, get the first couple of turns in there, and then whatever you wanna use, a ratchet, you wanna use an impact gun, whatever you wanna use, first you wanna thread it in with your hand. You don't wanna strip any bolt ever. The 3 that I could tighten up with the impact gun are done. So now the one that I can't get to it. Now my cheater bar to make sure that we tighten up all the bolts and double check the rest of them. Okay, they're all completely tight. Now to put on the ABS sensor with a 10mm bolt. Now, just to show you guys, like I said, I replaced this less than a year ago. You know, as a mechanic, we try to tell our customers what brands we recommend using, or what, I guess, quality we recommend using. This is not the most expensive or the best brand or the best quality hub. That's why I think that's why within a year, there it goes, no noise. That's why within a year it went bad. I have to replace it again. This is part of a warranty. I'm not gonna charge the customer again for this labor, and that hub, we're gonna get it replaced as part of a warranty with O'Reilly's. Maybe if it was, this is like a mid-grade hub. If we were maybe using the most expensive hub, maybe it was gonna last longer. Maybe even a dealer hub would last longer. I mean, in your vehicles, usually don't replace the hubs, or you know, it depends. But sometimes 100,000 miles, and this one I think we went 10-15,000 miles, and it started making noise again. Now I replaced both of them, both of the rear ones last time I did this, and now this one started making noise again. So it just kind of goes to show you that, you know, if you go cheap, you know, you be expected to replace it soon, and a lot of times it's gonna fall back on the mechanic, because we need to replace it again for free as far as the labor or the warranty that we did it. So, you know, just FYI. Now to put everything back on. There it goes. Now I'm gonna put my wheel back on and my lug nuts. Same thing that I was saying. First couple of threads you want to do it with your hand, and then you can tighten it up with the impact. There we go, all done. All right, guys. Well, that is it. That is how you replace the rear wheel hub on the Nissan Sentra. There's a 2012, but I think like basically all Nissan Sentras are going to be the same thing. I think even Maximas and Altimas have the same style wheel hub in the back, where you got the 4 bolts in the back. Might be a little bit different, but for a Nissan Sentra, this is how you do it. Alright guys, well, I really hope this video helps somebody out. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell for me, share the channel. I will catch you guys on my next video. Thank you for watching, and you guys have yourselves a great day.